There are concerns now about that virus growing right here in the U.S. The governor of Florida now expanding that state of emergency to 5 counties. And there are now more than 50 cases of the virus across 13 states and Washington, D.C. ABC's Lindsay Janis has the latest.
This morning, Florida preparing for the worst, declaring a public health emergency in 5 counties. There are now 12 travel-related cases of Zika reported throughout the state. Governor Rick Scott calling on the CDC to provide at least 1,000 Zika antibody test kits for pregnant women to see if they contracted the virus in the past, and thousands more kits to test for active cases.
The mosquito that causes Zika virus is common in Florida.
The spread of the virus, a growing concern for the estimated 20 million tourists expected to visit Florida in the spring break months. And at Miami International Airport, hundreds of flights a day coming in from the 30 high-risk countries flagged by the CDC. Over 100 of them just from Brazil. This morning, 2 million people are flocking to the streets of Rio for the start of Carnival, where now mosquitoes aren't the only concern for spreading Zika. Brazilian health authorities confirming Thursday a man was infected with the virus after receiving multiple blood transfusions. But some doctors here in the U.S. say they're more worried about sexual transmission of the virus.
We have definitive proof from the CDC that there was a transmission with sexual intercourse.
And that is why health officials say both men and women returning from Zika-affected countries should monitor for symptoms. Meanwhile, at hospitals like this one here in Miami, they are gearing up for a fight. George?
Okay, Lindsay, thanks very much.